So guys, welcome to the tutorial. So here's how you do that trick. So here's what you need for this trick. A normal deck of playing cards, any 4 of kind. I would recommend spot cards because they look more random. And 4 kings. You can also use queens and aces, but I like the 4 kings. So the only setup for this trick is just take the 4 fives and just put them on top and you are done. And now here's what you're gonna do. So first of all, go up to the spectator and just show them that all the cards are shuffled up. Just show the bottom and the middle stock, just don't show the top stock. Just up to here would be good, and then just grab the deck. Then just go ahead and give the deck a mix if you want to. Just maintain the top stock, just like so. Now at this point you're gonna have them pick a card, and the way you're gonna do this is by forcing the top card. And I use a riffle force, and that's the best way to do it in this trick because you don't want to change the top stock. Okay, so here's how you do riffle force. Just cut the deck and just get a pinky break, just like so, and just have them say stop. And let's say this is stop over here. Wherever this is stop, just cut the cards and just you show them this card, the forced card. Now I'm not gonna go over all the basics because it's an advanced trick. So now you have just forced the card, and now you're gonna just go ahead and pretend to lose it in the middle. Okay, so there are many ways you can do, but here's what I do. I get a pinky break above the bottom card, swing cut the cards into my other hand, and just push this card forward. And while showing this card to the spectator, I drop the break on top and I show them this card, just like that. Then I push this card in and I place the random card in the middle of the deck, just like so. So now they think that the card is somewhere in the middle, but actually it's still on top. Now you're gonna cut it to the bottom now. So just go ahead, get a break and do a double undercut. Really simple. You can also do a triple undercut if you want to, and just control the card to the bottom. So now once you are here, you're gonna point out that you got 4 kings over here. Just explain everything, and then just take any king you want to. I use the king of hearts first. Now you do the first vanish. So it's really simple. It's just the thing that you did earlier. You just get a pinky pull down like that. Then you swing cut the cards into your other hand and just drop this on top. But just wave the deck to make it look magical. Then show just both sides and confuse the spectator. Now place that card on top again. Okay, so now you are here. Their selection and the king of hearts. Now you're gonna take a black king. I use the king of clubs now. So I just take the king of clubs and do the ace change. It's also a basic move. Just go ahead and do the ace color change and manage the deck. So now you got 2 kings back to back. Then take the 3rd king, another red king, the king of diamonds. And now at this point you do the Cardini change. It's an advanced move, so I'm gonna just go over here how to do it. So just go ahead and keep your index finger over here, your pinky over here, and your thumb over here, and your hand on top, and just do this action while just lifting the deck. Okay, so if you do it fast, as you can see that some cards just come out automatically. That happens because the deck is old, but once you practice it and you do it in a less humid environment, it just works really good. As you saw this time, it's just 1 card. Just do the change like so with the hand like that, and it will be almost invisible. And you just do the change. Okay, so this is exposed view, so you just take the card off like that. Your hand is over here. Then you hold the deck, and now at this point you just quickly take this to the bottom like so. Okay, now once you are here, you're gonna talk to the spectator about what you're gonna do with the 4th king, and you're gonna say that you're gonna put it in the middle and not make it vanish. And while saying this, you just get another break. So it's an advanced card just because you have to remember a lot of slides in this trick. So just get a break over here and just flip this card over like that. Okay, using your index finger. Okay, just like so. Alright, now at this point, take the king of spades, put it on top, and ask the spectator to cut the deck. They just cut it anywhere they want to, just like so. Now at this point the trick is almost done. Snap your fingers, wave your hand, anything you want. Then just go ahead and show them that the kings have got 1 card over here and Just take it out, just out jog it. Then you spread 3 more cards, just really fast. Okay, these are the other 5s, and just get a break above all the cards. Then you take out the card and reveal the card. At this point it's already surprised because you have just found the card out of nowhere. But now while they're reacting or something, you just pick up all the like 7 cards over here. Now you're gonna say that, okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, the hardest part of the trick was not actually finding a card, but actually finding the other 5s. And while you're seeing all this, you're gonna do some moves. Okay, so these are really simple moves. You're gonna hold the card in middle grip and get a break above the bottom card. Then peel off the first card, and while peeling off the second, you drop the bottom card, the break, like that, as you can see. Then you do the same thing. You get another break. Just quickly hold the cards for a second and get another break, like so. Then peel off the third card while dropping the break, just like so. You drop the break and you peel off that card simultaneously. Don't flash, okay? This is really important that you don't flash. Then you got 2 cards over here. You just slam them on top. And while you're talking, this is almost done once you practice it. And then you reveal that the other 5s are over here.